it is day 3 in Goa today and we are leaving for our breakfast. Cafe. It is open.
We had a wholesome breakfast starting from cornflakes, milk, fruits, puri bhaji, bread butter, boiled eggs, tea and coffee. After this, we started our journey for the Cape Goa, situated in Cabo de Rama, South Goa.
अभी हम पेट्रोल पंप पे रुके हैं, थोड़ा रीफ्यूलिंग कर रहे हैं. इधर से बस 1 ही घंटा है फॉर कैबो डी रामा.
हमने अपनी जर्नी शुरू की नॉर्थ गोवा से और हम पहुंच गए द केप गोवा विच इज़ इन साउथ गोवा नियर काबो डी रामा बीच. पहुंचते ही बहुत बड़ा पार्किंग था इधर और फिर मेरी नज़र पड़ी द मोस्ट हाइप फोटोजेनिक स्पॉट पे, जो है केप गोवा के एंट्रेंस पॉइंट पे ही. सो हमने भी पेशेंटली बहुत वेट किया एंड वी ऑल्सो क्लिक्ड वन ऑफ द पिक्चर्स ओवर देयर. आफ्टर दैट वी वेंट इनसाइड द केप गोवा और बहुत ज़्यादा फुल था इधर. सो दे वाज आस्किंग फॉर अ सीट विद अ बीच व्यू, एकदम राइट साइड वाला सीट. द रेंज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 2 to 3K over here. So finally we got that seat also. Such a beautiful view over here. I just spent all my time looking at these trees, the water and the sky. The Cape Goa also provides a facility of stays जो नीचे hats है. It is very beautiful. In food we ordered lot of items. For me I ordered paneer and they ordered chicken. After our wholesome lunch we were all set for our next plan, which is going to the backwaters of Cabo de Rama beach. केप गोवा में लंच करके हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं कायाकिंग करने इन द वाटर्स ऑफ काबो डी रामा बीच. एंड दिस इज देवोत्तम डूइंग अ शॉर्ट वॉक ट्रेल बिकॉज इसके आगे गाड़ी नहीं जाती. हाय देव. ओके चलो, दिस इज अ लॉन्ग ट्रेल आई मस्ट से, but the view is good I would say. पूरा पसीने से नहा लिया है मैंने. and this is the view. ये हम पहुंच गए हैं काबो डी रामा बीच एंड बैकवाटर्स में है कायाकिंग स्पॉट. सो आफ्टर अ शॉर्ट मिनी ट्रेक वी रीच टू काबो डी रामा बीच.
One sentence for Cabo de Rama: secluded, turquoise blue water, very clean, lesser known and very beautiful.
We are hitting to the backwaters which is right in front of my eyes.
We have to rush.
What time will it get closed?
5:30 is the closing time, so we have to rush क्योंकि 20 minutes का तो ट्रेल है.
Ooh. This road will head us towards the backwaters. Coconut trees. We have reached to this spot. These are the backwaters of Cabo de Rama beach. Guy carrying on this boat. So that is the kind of kayaking which we will be having, one at the front and one at the back. Where is Deb? I don't know. Where are you, Deb? Can you guys find Deb? Oh, he's here.
500 for 2 people for how many minutes? 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Okay, done? Yeah. Excited?
Yes.
You were very much excited about the backwaters of Cabo de Rama beach and the kayaking.
So over here we'll go to this bridge also. This is a walking bridge.
Okay.
So you can take photo from the bridge also. We'll both take after we finish the kayak. Let's go with the kayak first.
बोट का चॉइस एंड देवोत्तम ने चूज किया है पिंक एंड येलो शैलो वाटर्स. यस
इधर क्या रखना है, इधर बम है ना? बैठ जाओ।
हाँ ओए
रोटी खाओ।
it's my turn now to sit. तुम already sat.
तुम ये पीठ पे रखोगे ना, अच्छा है।
दो
Because
दो
मैं
दो
end
दो
पे हूँ ना, ये लो, पहन लो।
लाओ
तो ये कैसे करना है? वो पहन ले, पहले ले ले। देख अभी भी कैसा पकड़ रही है। चला।
आफ्टर कायाकिंग वी स्पेंड सम टाइम एट काबो दी रामा बीच और फिर काबो दी रामा विच इज़ इन साउथ गोवा से हम लोग आ गए कैंडोलिम विच इज़ इन नॉर्थ गोवा. द ड्राइव वॉज ऑफ 2 hours एंड द रोड्स वर वेरी नैरो सो दे वो ओनली ड्रोव फॉर द होल रोड. राइट साइड में यहाँ पे क्लोरिना शैक है तो यहीं पे हमने डिनर किया और डिनर करके वी आर हेडिंग बैक टू होम. Wherever we roam inside Goa, Candolim Beach and Clorina Shack is something which we never get bored of. Candolim Beach has a huge parking, so for car it is $100 and for two-wheeler it is $50 for 4 hours. Now you see the vibe why we don't get bored.
Hi Babu. So we are in the we are in the roads of Candolim. Sorry, my bad. So today we went to Cabo de Rama. No doubt one of the best beaches in Goa. After our third visit, we are actually visiting it. But then, heart is where Candolim is, and you come out of the beach, you get this vibe of the city. You can show them, and again you get that secluded feeling, turquoise blue waters. So that's the vibe of Candolim. People are there on the street. It is very safe. Couples are out there. You have Gustavo Martinez football stadium over here. आगे जाओगे तो you have groceries like Delfino, you have Newton. पीछे जाओगे तो you have Sinquerim Beach, Taj. And you have a blend of city and secluded beach both. So I think hands down, if you are trying to find solace and peace, please visit Candolim, heart of North Goa, and you won't find any place better than this in Goa. I can bet on that. Yeah, so that's about it. Everything, yeah, as usual, it's open. It's a Saturday night, so usually in Candolim all the restaurants, starting from De Candolim Deck, Candolim Road, if I can say, till Kalangut Road, all restos are open till 4 to 5, even in off seasons, let me tell you that. And during season, it's 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the morning, they close and they again open at 11. So yeah, so that's kind of why. So Unnati, you can show them the road right now. So this is 12 o'clock in the night, 12:05 a.m. in the night, and this is off season, first week of May, and you can still see so many cars, so many people, and most of the restaurants are open right now, and we just decided to go for a long ride like we usually do in Navi Mumbai.
It is time to end this vlog over here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog and see you all in the next episode of Goa. Till the time, take care, have a great time, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye.